Okay, let's talk about the place command, and I will show you placing such a object on different surfaces. First of all, the easy one, placing it on a box like this one. So you select this guy, press Ctrl D, which is the shortcut for the place command. You snap the cursor from the place from which you want this guy to place it on the target surface. And of course, it's upside down. You have here other options. Press F for flip. Enter. You can do something like this. And if you are done, just press escape. And of course, you can go ahead and boolean them, pivot and whatnot. But what about placing the spikes on a surface like this? Select the spike, Ctrl D, snap it again from the same place, flipping it. Plasticity has placed the spikes perfectly according to the normals on the surface of the cylinder, but you cannot merge them. Selecting the faces, offsetting them, it runs into the body of the cylinder. Now you can boolean them, and now you can fillet them.